Good morning, all of you. Welcome back again in Shri Ganesh Online Education Series. Dear students, from yesterday we have started new chapter Evolution of Mankind. We have started its revision along with question answers. Okay. Most of you have learned this question answers. Yes, because two time I have told you this one again we are taking revision. Okay. Why we are taking revision? Because you should completely understand all the question answers, okay, and you should be able to write it properly and punctually in your terminal exam. Okay, so open your textbook, page number 20. See, we are seeing this point 5.1, from Homo habilis to Homo sapiens. Okay, and sub point is Homo neanderthalensis, Neanderthal man. Okay, so open your textbook. See now, one more stage of development in human evolution is Homo neanderthalensis. He was physically big and strong. He was physically big and strong. He is commonly known as Neanderthal man because his remains were first found in Neanderthal. Where it found? In Neanderthal, a place in Germany. Neanderthal is a place in Germany. His brain was more developed than that of Homo erectus. See, what we have seen, Homo habilis, Homo erectus, and now we are seeing Neanderthal man. So, Neanderthal man's brain was more developed than Homo erectus. The Neanderthals primarily lived in caves. Where they live? They live in caves. They made tools out of big pebbles as well as from the flakes scrap off from them. Such tools were fixed on a board. Where they was fixing those tools? On bone. Otherwise on wooden shaft to make weapons like the spear, axe, etc. Neanderthals hunted big animals. They used scrapers made from stone flakes to scrap meat from the hide of dead animals. They used leather clothing. They were mainly meat eaters. What they were eating? Meat only. They ate meat roasted on fire. How they were eating meat roasted on fire? They knew the art of making fire by rubbing sticks. They knew the art of fire by rubbing sticks of hard wood on each other by striking one flying stone on another to obtain sparks. Okay. Then on next page, it is likely that the Neanderthals had developed some artistic skills. What they developed? Some artistic skills. Some scientists believe that they also communicated with each other by producing grunts. They were communicating with each other by producing grunts and other primary sound. However, it is not known whether they had a developed language system to express their thoughts with the help of word. We don't know it that they were producing words or what. Okay, but they were producing grunts. Grunts means like birds. Okay. When a member of the group died, the Neanderthals buried tools, horns, etc. What they buried? Tools and horns, etc. along with the dead body. Also, they applied red orch to the dead body before burying it. And what they were applying? A red orch. Red ochre. It indicates that the Neanderthals had established some rituals of burying the dead. In the course of time, some groups of Neanderthals left Africa and migrated up to the continents of Europe and Asia. See, in this time, some Neanderthals, they left Africa and they migrated. Migrated means from one place to another place they went. Where they went? In the continent of Europe and Asia. Naturally, they had to face a different environment. They had to adopt new ways of living and finding food. Therefore, they went on modifying and improving the tools that were essential in their life. Okay. However, the improvements in tools took place over thousands of years. Okay. Homo sapiens is the name used for humans that were more advanced than the Neanderthals. Homo sapiens means intelligent or intellectual man. Homo sapiens means intelligent or intellectual man. We shall learn more about him later. The Neanderthals and the Homo sapiens were neighbors. Neanderthals and Homo sapiens were neighbors for some time in Europe. It is believed that due to reasons like their conflict with Homo sapiens and inability to adopt the environmental changes, the Neanderthals become extinct. What happened? These Neanderthals become extinct. Extinct means vanish. On the basis of C14 dating, it is estimated that the Neanderthals become extinct about 30 years ago. When they extinct? About 30 years ago. Okay, so this much we are going to see today. Then Homo sapiens tomorrow we will see. Okay, so we will see question answers. Okay, first question is fill in the blanks. Dadash is commonly known as the Neanderthal man. Who is commonly known as the Neanderthal man? Homo neanderthalensis. Homo neanderthalensis is commonly known as the Neanderthal man. Understood? Okay. So see, Neanderthal is a place in Dadash. Neanderthal is a place in Dadash. Where it is? In Germany. Very good. The Dadash had established some rituals of burying the dead. Who had established the rituals? Burying the rituals of dead. Who? Neanderthal. See, you can give answers. If you have put finger properly in your textbook, then immediately while I am reading, that time only you can give answers without looking at screen. Okay. Next one. The Neanderthals had developed some Dadash skills. Which skills did they develop? Artistic skills. Artistic skills they develop. Now last and important, the Neanderthals became extinct about how many years? 30 years. Very good. Then question number 2. Here. All can see? Very good. See. Answer the following questions in one sentence. Answer the following questions in one sentence. How did Neanderthals make fire? See, Neanderthals made fire by rubbing sticks of hard wood on each other or by striking one flint stone on another to obtain sparks. Is it understood? Very good. Now, how did Neanderthal man communicate with each other? How did Neanderthal man communicate with each other? So answer is Neanderthal man communicated with each other by producing grunts, or other primary sounds. Okay, so like this they were communicating with each other, but we are not sure that they were using words for communication. Okay, do you understand? Very good. So see what you have to do today. This fill in the blanks and answer in one sentence you have to write down in your notebook, and as a today's homework you have to send it on school's group. Okay, so do you understand today's homework? Very good. So best luck for your homework. Read the lesson again and again and start your study from chapter number 4th and 5th. Okay, thank you very much.